Here's how to outperform any Polymarket trader while they work hard on their computer all day and you copy their trades doing whatever you want. So the first thing you need to do is find really good traders. My personal go-to is the leaderboard on copytrader.com with 2 R's. And I've also got a list of all the active Kreo and Polycop users. So these are real people who are making real profits copy trading on Polymarket. So let's take this one, for example. I'm going to throw them in the Polymarket Analyzer and Copy Trade Simulator on copytrader.com. We can see here that this trader has a 17.4% return on investment. Seems to me to be a real trader. We can come down, see their cumulative charts, see their performance over time, performance by category, performance by entry price, and we can track all of their trades. Now right away I see a lot of losing trades, but one thing that I notice is that on a lot of their losing positions, they are betting a very, very small amount of money. And on their winning positions, they are betting a lot more. This is why they have a 36% win rate, but still a 17.4 return on investment. Now, what we can do with this data is using our copy trading bot. And the one that I'm using right now is a new one called KAGE. I just started using this today, already up $38 after 5 trades. But in our copy trading bot, we can ignore buys below a certain price. So right away, I could skip any buy below $50. And that will skip a lot of the low conviction losing bets. But the real way to outperform wallets like this is by coming here to their performance by category and performance by entry price and really narrowing down the trades that we are willing to enter. So they do pretty good in both categories that they trade. There's no actions to take there. But if we look at the performance by entry price, we can see that they don't do very good at all with any entries below 30 cents. And their best return on investment is from 30 cents to 49 cents. And I bet if I were to come here and I were to filter the trades below to see only the crypto trades entered from 30 to 39 cents, then you would see a lot more wins and a lot better results. So what I can do in KAGE is I can set a minimum buy price to 30 cents and a maximum buy price to 49 cents, only entering trades that the trader enters within that range. But how do I know exactly how that's going to perform? Well, what I can do on this same page is I can come here to the Copy Trader Simulator. Now, this is the most accurate copy trading simulator for Polymarket that I've ever seen because I built it myself. It takes into consideration all Polymarket fees and has all the filters that you can use in any standard copy trading bot. So I can say I have a starting balance of 300. I can use a fixed trade size or a percent of the trader's trade size. Because the trader makes more money with bigger bets, we're seeing much better results using a percent of the trader's trade size. And the reason why our return on investment while copying, when buying every single fill or every single buy with $10, because if we come down here, we can see on these losing bets, they are buying 11 times, 12 times, sometimes 21 times. So if we are entering with a $10 buy size every single time they buy, we're buying more into their losing bets and less into their winning bets because their winning bets here only have 4 fills each, and each fill is a buy. So what I can do in my simulator and in my copy trading bot is that if I'm only going to have a buy size of about $30, then I can say the max money that I'm willing to spend per market or per bet is $90, meaning I would only enter 3 times no matter if the bet was a loss or a win. And I'd be willing to bet if I put that in our copy trading simulator with a $30 buy size, that right away our return on investment is going to go way up. We're losing 6% to fees because the crypto market is the most expensive market with fees. But you can learn more about that and everything you need to know about Polymarket in my free Polymarket guide found at copytrader.com with 2 R's/free guides. So let's say I'm going to have a slippage of 5%. That's me estimating right now an exit slippage if they exit early of 5%. The copy trading bot fees are 1% on KAGE. With slippage, our return on investment goes way down to 1.2. Wouldn't really be worth copying this trader. However, when we take our minimum and maximum entry prices into effect, saying I'm only willing to enter trades between 30 and 49 cents, our return on investment jumps up to a 46.3% return on investment. That's how powerful these filters are. And at this point, I don't even need to limit my fill size to eliminate those small losing bets because those small bets are already being skipped by our minimum entry price and maximum entry price. All the low conviction bets are at a very, very low price. And if we look at some winning bets, some of the fills are a very, very small amount of money, but there's a lot of fills. And if we've set the amount that we are willing to buy in each market, and each market is a bet, if that is confusing to you, then I'm only going to buy 3 times into any bet no matter what. So if the trader is buying 10 times, sometimes with a very small amount of money, this can be advantageous to us because we might miss 4 of these because of slippage. And we can keep our slippage really low and only get in when we actually get close to the trader's price. So we're kind of like hedging our bets, betting that if we keep a really low slippage, out of 10 buys, we're probably going to get into at least 3. This is an advanced tactic. I go more into this in my free guide. The link is in the description below. But basically, that's it. That's how you outperform a trader while they trade for you. Usually with copy trading, after slippage and fees, the trader always makes more money than you. But in Polymarket, that's not the case. Because I can look at a trader and I can see exactly what to do and how to outperform that trader. I have insights into their trading that they don't even have. Because if they looked at this, they would probably say, okay, I'm not going to enter any bets that aren't at least 30 cents because obviously that's what's losing them money. So this trader has a 17% return on investment, but if we copy trade them with our given filters, we will have a 46% return on investment, and these numbers are extremely accurate. This is what would have happened in the past. That's no guarantee that it's going to happen again in the future. That's all we can do is analyze the past and create a strategy for the future. This is not financial advice. Never trade with more money than you can afford to lose. All trading is gambling, even copy trading, when it's done right like this. And this is just for educational purposes, but I think it's going to be a very, very fun summer using KAGE and Copy Trader to copy trade on Polymarket. Again, the links to both of those are in the description below. Thanks for watching. I will see you next time.